morning! Goto kami sa school ni ate. Atid namin siya. Ang time niya is 8:30 to 9:30. Just only 1 hour. At binabaybay namin ngayon ang Maharlika Road. So, traffic na agad dyan. Oh no! It's traffic na. Kasi dyan sa may school sa Silangan Elementary School. This is the Maharlika Road. Ito yung talipapa namin, palengke namin.
Yan ang Silangan.
Wet market.
Yan, Silangan Elementary School.
Silangan Elementary School. Yes. And ito yung wet market. Yes. Okay, that's all for now.